We have a 2008 Tailift forklift. The model is an FG18C-GML. It says a 3,500 pound base lifting capacity. Runs on propane fuel. Has a GM 3.0 liter engine. Found in a lot of Heister and Yale forklifts that don't use a Mazda engine. Has an automatic transmission. Cushion tires, good for use on solid surfaces, either indoors or out. Tires are new condition. Has a 3-stage mast on it. The mast is 84 inches when collapsed, that's 7 feet. Forks will lift to 192 inches, that's right at 16 feet. Good for high lifting applications. It has 42-inch long forks. The mast has tilt function forward and back. Also has side shift function to move the fork carriage side to side. This Tailift forklift is part of a dealer's rental fleet. It is regularly maintained by the dealer. It's in work ready condition, ready to go.